Na polisi mjini Bungoma wanamzuilia mfanyabiashara mmoja aliyenaswa katika soko la Bukembe katika eneo bunge la Kandui akipakia sukari inayokisiwa kuwa ya magendo kwa mifuko ya kampuni tofauti ili auze. Akidhibitisha kisa hicho, kamanda wa polisi kaunti ya Bungoma Anderson Njagi anahoji kuwa mshukiwa huyo alinaswa na magunia 76 ya sukari pamoja na magari mawili yanayoshukiwa kutumiwa kusafirisha sukari hiyo.
I want to confirm to you that yesterday we had an intelligence led operation within the areas of Bukembe, where there was a suspicion that some unscrupulous people were packaging illegal sugar, that is sugar that is uncustomed, against the law. So the DCI team and the KRI team, the intelligence sent us to the premises somewhere in Bukembe, and within the premises we were able to find 76 bags of sugar that were bearing various brands or logos, and some empty packaging materials from even across the neighboring country. Through that successful operation, we were able to arrest one person, the key suspect, and we also confiscated the two motor vehicles that we suspect are used within to do that illegal operation. So we are warning members of public not to engage in illegal activities such as the smuggling of sugar and then repackaging of genuine sugar to other logos so that they can be able to make profit. That is illegal, and that is something the government is against, and we are going to deal with them ruthlessly. This is just the start. The operation is on, and we hope to net more as we move ahead. And we are going to spread the operation in and outside Bungoma so that we bring this fight to an end.
Would you be having the consignment?
Bags kama tunaweza tukachukua tu because it could be a variety.